I'm Becky Yee. I'm the co-founder of Color Wheel Studios. We are a film and video production company where we drive the content and narrative from a woman's point of view. I'm usually behind the camera, but nowadays everyone has to be in front of the camera, and it seems that we're doing all of our meetings on Zoom. One of the coolest features that Zoom has are these virtual backgrounds. And as you can see, you can even brand it, and it makes your background look much better than having a distracting home background with lots of things and doorways and people walking behind you. So I'm going to show you how to do your virtual background if you don't know how to do it. Open up the Zoom app, and on the top left-hand drop-down menu under zoom.us, you will see Preferences. Right here, Preferences, when you click on that, you'll pull up your settings box. And on the left-hand side will be a lot of different settings. There's one here called Virtual Background. You click on Virtual Background, and there you're able to select your virtual background. You can add any photo or video of your choice. Make sure it's 16:9 ratio. Go to the right-hand side to the plus sign and add either an image or a video. This was actually a Sports Illustrated model that I had photographed in Miami Swim Week. Her name is Hallie Khalil. This is her with no makeup, so this is what Sports Illustrated models look like with no makeup. And you can also upload video. This is a silly video, but it's fun if you're talking with your friends. Just to recap, if you want to change your virtual background, all you need to do is, again, open your Zoom app, pull down the drop-down menu and go to Preferences. That pulls up your settings. On your settings list, go to Virtual Background and then select the background that you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and I'll be doing this and more at the Fearless Summit on Friday, April 17th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. To register for the summit, go to the link in the video description below. Hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions about video presence or camera presence, contact us at colorwheelstudios.com.